Hi guys, welcome back, the new subscribers. I'm Glacia Janet, and all the returning subscribers, thank you so much. You're doing a great job, guys, always coming back to watch my channel. So guys, I've been sick. I've been down for a while now, for like I think like 2 days, 3 days from the previous video when we were harvesting the nuts. I was still sick, but now I feel a little bit better. So I want to test myself. So I'm just going. I'm outdoor right now. I'm just going uphill, maybe to the closest hill, to test if I'm strong enough to start the real adventure. Because I really want to really start the real exploration, but just I've been weak and I didn't want to stretch myself. So today, check where I am. I'm going uphill, up there to that hill. I don't know, wherever it takes me, it's where I will go. I just saw some beautiful birds, and they are super close, like so close. Look at them. Look at that. That's so beautiful. It's so nice. Actually, like I feel like this place is a bad place because there are so many birds. Like guys, look at that. There are so many birds here, like really many. I feel like it's a birding area. This place is called what? It's Chihara. It's behind Majengo. I feel like it's a birding area because like there's so many guys, so many birds. Look at them. Look at this one behind me. There's this one here, just here. Oh my god. And then there is those ones. They're there. They're just chilling and they don't care. All right guys, so let me just continue. But just know, like today is just to have fun. Whatever I find on the way, I first enjoy that and then continue. I just want to check if I'm strong enough to start a real adventure. But looks like adventure has already found me. Has found me where I am. I don't need to look for adventure anymore. Look at those beauties up there, and they don't even care whether you're coming or you're not. They're just enjoying themselves. Okay guys, okay. Now I go. These are people's farms. I saw like watermelons, then these are eggplants. Like generally these are people's farms. And up to there, and then our beautiful birds up there in the sky. Yeah, let's continue with. You see them? There are so many birds in here. I think it's just a birding place for sure. And then there are a lot of butterflies everywhere. and come for a birding experience. So many birds, guys, birding and butterflies. If you're interested in birds and small creatures, this is the best place for you. Behind Majengo, Kihara Road, very beautiful place with so many birds, guys. I've even taken most of the time here. I don't know if I'll even make it to the hill, but what is important is I wanted to test myself if I am strong enough to start adventure. But looks like it's already adventure, so why not? We are adventure. Wherever there is beauty, that's where I stay. There are a lot of butterflies, a lot of birds of different types. Oh my god, I didn't even know. And this place is close to my home. Feels like I've already got another spot for reading my books and for relaxing while I'm listening to nature. So yeah, and then there is this beauty behind me, beautiful flower. Guys who love flowers. Oops. Yeah, it's I love. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Oh yeah, which tree is this? People who started botany. Which tree is this one? Oh my god, it smells really nice. Something. I saw something here. I don't want to put in people, but that's why I came to this direction. So I think it's a hide. There is a hide and skin. I don't know if I call it a factory. It's hides and skin, and there are so many everywhere, up to that side and up down there. And then there are so many. Like guys, all those are hides and skins. All those. And then the birds. Now I understand why the birds were down there. Like all those are heads and skin. Like all those ones. Hi. And then the guys who are working there, they tried to call me, and then I just said hi to them. But I think like they wanted more than a hi. You understand, I'm a lady. So I didn't give them my attention. And then they started abusing me. And then they start abusing me. But for me, I don't give attention to people who want to abuse me. I find it so fun because how can you abuse a stranger? How can you abuse somebody you have not seen before? So it was so fun. Okay, I don't know if it hurt me or not, but I don't give it attention. And I didn't give them attention because I just said hi to them. And then maybe they wanted more than a hi, I don't know. So they start abusing me. But then I didn't give them attention. And it really worked because they stopped and they went back. That's it, guys. So in life, give less to negativity. If some people are so negative about your life, assure them that you're positive. Oh, shit. Don't give negativity so much attention, because like if I had responded to them, to their abuses, we would be in a bigger argument right now. So guys, so that's it. I'm still like, I'm just 2 kilometers, no, 3 kilometers now from the start, but just because I've been taking a lot of time doing stuff, admiring nature. So yeah, so that's it. So we continue and let's go. We are getting close to the hill. You see now, the hill is now closer than before. Yeah, so we are getting close. Let's go. The small town ahead. and then there's one hill here and that one direct and down. So I'm going to continue going up because I see a small hill up which I want to reach. I don't know what hill is that. Let me ask those gentlemen behind me. They have guided me. Like, this is called Chihara. This here is called Chihara Center, Chihara Trading Center. Like, this is Chihara town. So what, these are just like the outskirts of Kasese town. And then, guys, they even have solars and they have a Wi-Fi. Oh, they have a community Wi-Fi. And then somebody's calling me. Guys, nowadays people are vigilant about new people in their area. So always you can get people who are stopping you, which is okay. Okay, I'll pause the camera and then I talk to them. Sure. Kangabe kutel. Uganza chilange. Asu chilangire bwana. Baga ngali kichidali tinga okusachi bana uti now. Hey guys, kids love pictures. Like, young kids love pictures. Every time I go, kids will be like, "You take us a picture," but like, guys, I don't even know where I should put their pictures. So, all right. So this is Chihara town of shit.
Distance 5 kilometers. Duration 1 hour 47 minutes 49 seconds.
I just got injured. Okay, it's not big. They're just bruises. They're just bruises. It's not something. It's not big. Oh god. Alright guys, I'm close. But I just got bruised here, but it's not something big, it's just a bruise. I've cleaned it already. And then look at where I am right now. So far that's where I am. That's what I'm looking at, guys. Isn't that beautiful? This is what I'm looking at, and yeah, I'm now in the middle of a valley, I would say, because I'm now surrounded by hills, and up there I see some rocks. I want to go up and check the rocks, and then I go down again. Right, this is what I wanted. I wanted to see how far I can go. I'm not so bad. I will put the tracking record at the end of the video, because I still have to go down. So yeah, guys, so that's it for today. But the looks already like downhill. That's Chihara town, the one I showed you earlier. And then this side is a big hill. It's a big hill, like a tall one actually. Maybe we're gonna try it one day and see. But if we are trying it, we have to rotate the other side around. And then behind me, there are some rocks, and I see kids up there. I'm seeing kids up rock. There are some rocks behind me. Alright guys, thank you for following today's hike. It has not been a bad one. I've enjoyed it. Though I've finished it with a bruise, but it's okay. It's not so bad. I thought when the blood was flowing, I thought it was really bad. They're just scratches. Because the blood was flowing really bad, like it was much. I thought it was something bigger, but they're just scratches. So alright, see you. Let me check the rocks and then I go down. Okay, in case I don't come back to you, cheers, and thank you for being part of this family. If it was your first time watching my videos, I'm called Glasio Janet, and the channel is Glasio Adventures. And we are here. I'm here to show you Uganda, and I'm based in Kasese. So right now I'm in Kasese, and I'm just on one of the hills of Kasese villages. The village is called Chihara village, and up here you can view the whole town. Yeah, that's it. I'm here to show you Kasese destinations where you can go if you're not like, if you enjoy hiking, if you're just a hiking person who just wants to sweat. This is a nice one because I'm sweating terribly. So that's it. Then the other thing is also, like I do tourism destinations, and also just hiking. Hiking is my hobby, so I take you through my hobbies, but also I discover tourism places in Uganda, but popularly Kasese, but Uganda as a whole. And then I take you through my personal journey of a simple lifestyle at home, visiting villages, staying with families as a host, and integrating into their work. So that's what I do if it's your first time here. So just stay here, subscribe, and follow along in this family. We are going to visit villages, be hosted by families, eat their food, cook with them, go to the river, do all the village stuff, and just stay on and just subscribe. Hit your notification, guys. Don't forget to hit your notification, because if you hit your notification, you'll always watch my videos, guys. Okay, I've been in Chihara village, and up here is a hill. So I'm up here hill, and I'm going to those rocks, and then I go back down. All right, subscribe, hit your notification, and kindly share. And the family is growing big, guys. Road to 1K. Road to 1K, guys. We have to hit 1K no matter what. Alright. Mukasenya. Mwasinja senya. Guys, those kids are collecting. They are collecting firewood. And then those are the rocks I'm talking about. Oh, I don't know if I'll reach there because Guys, I don't know if I'm going up there. Woo. Oh, Jesus. It's high. But let me do my best. Let me try my best, and I want to reach there. I'm sure I will. Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Aquí soy un loro. Kabi. Anggo. Ayun.
Mugenda nyinaye.
Aria.
Eka buno. Lol nawe kushana. Ena kamika. Beiba kalorai. Thank you, Mira. Alright guys, so I'm helping these kids. They have been like collecting firewood. And what's Sanya sent. And Nuekabi now no fortunate. That's Kabira, that's fortunate, and their sister up there is collecting the mangoes. And I've helped them to carry some firewood, and we are going up there. I'm going to the rocks, and that's where they stay behind those rocks. Maybe I can also check in their home and see. You know, guys, yeah, that's why I find peace, just being with. Oh, and I love kids so much, guys.
Like the silver. So guys, I'm running out of battery, but so I brought my friends home. Hi. I'm running out of battery actually, to be serious, but like I found these kids. I wanted to know where they stay, so this is where they stay, guys. So I'm going to come back to visit these people officially. Today I was just passing by. Thank you for watching, and by the way, the tracker only recorded when I was going uphill. My battery went down, so it didn't record my return.